Well, folks, this stupid thing wants to go really bat crap again. So we're gonna go with some Truly, Squad Brights, Sugar Orange Fanta, and why not check our standings? Yeah. Let's see. Genre took rock. Another rock. Took pop. Electronic. Yeah. We got the coverage of a few things. Oh, alternative rock. Pop, electronic. Yeah. Just a few on there that are us, guys. Just a few. Anyway, you gotta be awake. What the hell, you know? Jam to your shit. Go through your buddy stuff. I mean, what else do you do? Absolutely nothing. I mean, seriously. I have nothing else to say. Really. So low right now and trying to fight it. Trying to stay positive though. I mean, like a baby bird. Chirp, chirp.
Shadows crawl where whispers hide. Pulse like thunder where the edges collide. Your breath is a song calling the air.
Cheers.
Bring me closer to right and dare. Dance with dangerous threat. Best trace where angels tread. How you like it? Rough and raw. Touch that bends but never withdraws. Blade gleams. Your secret is shown in the dark. You're not alone.
Deathline last hour. I love brain damage. As you can see, not for my lack of trying.
Every scar, every twist, lights alive.
Peace out.